everybody. Here we are in our clubhouse. I mean, in our shop. Barb and I are opening yarn boxes today that just arrived from UPS. In fact, we were supposed to get them yesterday, but we think they were delayed because of vaccine deliveries bumping our shipment. Anyway, they got here this morning and we just couldn't be happier. This is a brand new yarn line for us. It's 100% Finn, American grown Finn fiber in 4 natural shades. We've named the shades after Finnish wildlife. So we've got a cream color, which is called Owl. The gray, a medium gray, it's like a heathery, beautiful gray, is called Wolf. Then we've got this gorgeous beigey oatmeal color, which is called Reindeer. And then the brown is called Bear. And I've got a sweater on that Barb knit in the Reindeer shade. It's a new sweater pattern that's being published on Wednesday. We're going to release the yarn and the sweater pattern at the same time in our Wednesday newsletter. So if you're not signed up for our newsletter, go get yourself signed up. And if you are signed up, don't forget to read it. 12 a.m. on Wednesday. You'll be able to get your hands on this stuff. It's fantastic.
This is gorgeous.
It's so soft. It feels like merino, but has more soul. It's just really beautiful. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. I'm going to write a blog post about Finn fiber and Finn sheep and origins and all that kind of stuff. So you'll be getting way more information than you probably ever wanted to know, but
Feels a lot like cashmere. It's real.
Barb is knitting with the white and she's drooling
I'm
over
obsessed with it.
And I love this brown color harkens back to one of our first shades of breakfast blend yarn that we have not been able to make since, called Cocoa, and it is just a dead ringer for that cocoa color. I love it. A little bit of gold highlight to it, just beautiful. And the oatmeal, best tasting oatmeal you'll ever have right here.
So 6 skeins of gray for me. 6 skeins of brown for me.
I'm getting gray too. So good thing there was an overrun on the gray.
Right.
And Hillary gets gray. I mean, Paula gets gray. Hillary probably gonna get brown, huh?
Probably, yeah.
Or reindeer. She was asking about reindeer.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Like Santa Claus.
That's right. And we have gift
All right,
certificates.
I'm going home now.
We have gift certificates if your family is wondering what you might want. Well, we're going to go play with our yarn. You guys have a great Saturday, and we'll see you Wednesday.
Bye.